If you're looking for something to lift your eyes naturally, I have a great face yoga for droopy eyelids technique that I will share with you now that you will absolutely love because it's super simple, and this is one of the easiest face yoga things that you can do to lift those droopy eyelids. It's called wide eyes for a reason. So you're going to do your best now to get wide eyes without wrinkling your forehead in this face yoga technique. If you've seen my other videos, sometimes we hold down the forehead area to minimize any wrinkling happening here. You can certainly do this in this video as well, but this face yoga is now targeting those muscles around the eyes, helping with those droopy eyelids. And basically you're just doing wide eyes. So you're going to stare at one spot, probably in the distance away from you. You're going to look at that spot with wide eyes, a slight smile, which is always recommended in face yoga techniques. Slight smile, look at a spot for 5 to 10 seconds. And relax. And you're going to repeat this about 4 times. Again, smile. Really opening up the eyes. Some people say that, yeah, it's scary wide eyes, but this is great for that face yoga for those droopy eyelids. You can continue to do this. Again, 4 times. You're going to repeat that exercise 5 to 10 seconds each time of the face yoga with those wide eyes, really helping with those droopy eyelids. I hope you've got some questions or comments for me. Please drop them in the comment section below about how to do this face yoga technique. Check out my next video in this series of face yoga and face massage. One of my goals is to teach you how to empower yourself over the healing of your own body, mind, and spirit. Be well, everyone.